guys, it's me, Marina, and we're going to get Papa Donk in a second, because he lives right near us. But, Mom, what are we doing?
We have to pick him up to pick up his truck.
We're going to pick him up to get his truck. So, yeah, so we're going to film, I'm going to film him, I grade him, and let's go. So make sure you subscribe and like, and hit that bell button so you get notified when he posts a video. And yeah, let's get on through this video.
Fare is $2.
I was just fixing to take the one in the shower, and I said, he called. $2. I got $2.
Hi, Papa.
Hello, Miranda.
How is work?
Great.
I'm filming a Papa Donk video for you, so you can get money.
Yeah. No,
So you can buy whatever you want. You can buy a mansion for you.
I don't want a mansion. Perfectly happy with
You can marry the queen.
a one-room shack. I don't want too much room because there's too much to clean.
What?
And I don't want a lot of company, so I only want 2 rooms.
2 rooms for who?
One to sleep in, the other one for, well, I got out of the bathroom.
For Kelly.
Well, Kelly's, I don't know. Yep, we're in the luggage.
Exercise is the best health care plan.
Yeah.
Papa,
Yeah, all right.
Papa,
Sick.
you're gonna go run outside with your with your shorts and your
No.
short sleeved shirt and your high
You know, have a
socks
great day
that
in
goes
school.
up to your knees and your New Balance shoes,
Yeah, we're on the
your white ones,
yeah, fucked up my knee.
and have a unicorn ponytail.
2 different colored socks. Color my hair purple and yellow.
Papa, put your seatbelt on.
Then you look like a unicorn.
Papa, put your
What?
seatbelt on.
I got it all.
No, you don't.
Yes,
I
he
do.
does.
No, you don't. Papa doesn't have a seatbelt on.
Why kids argue with you when they know you're right? Well, it's $4 then, so.
Where's the sign that says that? That just
Right
says
here.
stop and look before exiting.
There's a sign right here.
There ain't nothing that says around this way. I don't see anything.
Back there.
Where?
I see it. It says
I didn't
that
see
the
it.
sign sticking there says do not enter.
Oh, I didn't see that.
It's there.
Yeah, well.
You go around the circle and you go around.
Okie dokie. Well,
These people don't run over you. Well, I thank you. I appreciate
you're welcome.
Mom,
It's right there.
it. It's the same beautiful green truck.
so before you click off this video, thank you so much for 10 subscribers. Papa really wanted up to 10 and up. He said, I will enjoy it if it's 10 to up. I said, okay, because he was at 8 that time. And so he reaches to 10, and I called him. He was very excited. So let's go call him. It's cool. My phone on charger because I'm 18%. Alright, I'm gonna call Papa Donk. Papa Donk, Papa Donk.
Hello?
Hey Papa,
Yes.
guess what?
What?
You reached it to 10 subscribers.
I told you I don't want people seeing my face.
What? You're supposed to be excited!
No.
You said to me last week when you had 8 subscribers that you're so excited. For
Okay.
10.
Alright. That's good.
Are you excited?
Huh?
Are you excited?
Am I tired?
Are you excited?
Oh yeah, very excited.
Good. Good.
Okay, well,
What are you doing?
I'm eating dinner.
Eating dinner?
Yeah.
Hey, did Kelly watch any of your videos?
I don't know if Kelly wants to.
Well, tell her to. Papa,
I don't know. Yes, honey.
tell her. Now.
I told her.
Right now.
No, I've already told her.
Do it again.
Okay, I'll tell her.
No, when I'm on the phone. Do it.
Kelly, they have videos of me they want you to watch, I guess. Alright. Okay, let
It's
me
Papa
I'll talk
Donk.
to you- I'll talk to you shortly.
Tell her it's Papa Donk.
Oh, I told her.
Tell her again.
Papa Donk, Kelly. Okay, I told her. Alright. Okay?
Papa,
Yes.
I'm editing your video, so you better watch it.
Okay.
I'll call you when it's uploaded.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Oh my god, okay. Just told him he had 10 subscribers. Oh, that's great. So thank you so much for watching this video. Really hope you like it. Papa Donk, I'm just gonna tell you this, that he actually doesn't want to make videos, but I'm just trying to make him like it. So that's why I'm trying to make videos for him. If it means like he's like off, you know, like off the shelf, you know, like that, that's because he doesn't want to make videos. So that's why he's like not like facing like the other direction and all stuff, because he doesn't want to. But I'm just trying to make him love it. So yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't and like this video. And yeah, so I'll see you guys later. And Papa. So bye guys.